Wagwan everybody, you don't know it's a boy, Africa. Yesterday. So today I'm very excited and proud to announce that I'll be releasing my first ever reggae single. Yes, this is gonna be my debut reggae single because I've released dancehall in the past, but this is my first time actually writing a reggae song, putting it together on a beat and on a record, and we'll be releasing it. So this is my debut reggae single, and this song is called Offspring, which is dedicated to my beautiful kids. You get me? So this will be released on September the 9th. Yes, so very close from now. Yeah, man. So I just want to big up my brother on the beat and also the engineer, Tommy from Blueberry Music, worked on this project and bring it to life. So with that being said, I hope you all are excited because a lot of you have been asking for music and now is the time. I have more songs to release, but this is gonna be the first of many. So stick around for that. This is a kind of like a transition from, dancehall into reggae. As I said, I've had reggae songs before, but this is my first time we'll be releasing reggae songs. So stick around for that and hope you all love it. Also subscribe to my music channel. I'll leave the link in the description. And also you can go and pre-order the song right now. I'll leave the link in the description as well. So yeah, man, much love and blessings, and stick around for September the 9th.
This song to my son and my daughter, yeah. From the first time I saw your face,